Hey everybody, and welcome back to Cast Iron Cooking. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook cast iron skillet mac and cheese. Okay, what you're going to need to make this easy macaroni and cheese in a cast iron skillet dish is a pound of macaroni. You're going to need 5 cups of cheddar cheese, 2 cups of whole milk. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour. Let's get it started. Okay, set your oven bake at 375 and make sure that you have the pan in the oven on the middle rack. And start your pasta boiling. You want to cook it to 7 minutes, which is al dente, because it's going to be cooking a little longer once you get it in the skillet, and then it'll come out. Go ahead and turn your skillet on to medium. You're going to want to melt the butter in the skillet. I've already started mine to melt a little. Okay, once your butter's melted, go ahead and add your flour to it. You're going to want to whisk this. This is going to be your roux. So you want to go ahead and mix it up. Okay, now you want to slowly work the milk into there without spilling it like I did. Okay, now you slowly want to incorporate the cheese in there. I'm going to do this left-handed. Okay. You want to save a cup. I saved 2 cups, but you want to save at least a cup of cheese to put on the top to make it nice and cheesy on the top. Okay. Now I'm going to start adding the pasta in. Excuse me if it's not a good camera angle. I'm limited to what I can do here. Come back for some more in a second. Now that you've mixed it all in and spread it out even, you got your oven at the temp. You want to go ahead and put that top cheese on there. Some people use a cup. I use what you see right here. Just dump it in. Alright, there's the cheese. Tossing it at 375 for 20 minutes, and then we're going to check it. Alright. Set the timer for 20 minutes. Okay, you're going to need a heavy duty either oven glove or grill glove because it's cast iron. And you can make this in a casserole dish if you want. Alright. See how that looks? We're going to let that sit for a minute. Yummy. Okay, I let it sit for 5 minutes so everything kind of congeals in there. Go ahead and cut into it. I forgot, I have a good cast iron skillet. It's antique and so it's seasoned, but I forgot to tell you, you might want to season your, you might want to grease your pan a little bit, but I don't think I'm going to have, I don't have any problems that way. Let's go ahead and cut into it. I'm going to salt and pepper this later, but here we go. Tastes really good. That's all I can say. Simple and easy. Remember, subscribe and don't hate, congratulate.